Compared to Fitbit's other trackers, the Alta is easily the best looking. It only gets better if you plop down the extra $59, £49, 99 Australian dollars, for swappable leather straps, or $99, 79 pounds, for the metal strap. But let's look at the basics of what you'll be getting with the standard version. Inside the box, you'll find the Alta module, as well as a set of classic elastomer bands to snap into it. Aside from the standard instruction booklets, there's also a USB dongle that can be used by those who would rather sync up to a desktop or laptop instead of a smartphone. The module itself is simplistic, but elegant in its design. The plastic coating over the screen has the look and feel to the touch feel of glass, and takes on a slight curve from end to end. It's hard to exactly tell how big the screen is beneath this sheet of black plastic, as there's only a little bit of info displayed at any given time. The body of the tracker is wrapped in a brushed metal casing that gives it a nice amount of heft and visual flair. Laying on its side, you can see the angular effect come to an apex, and then diverge, creating a very subtle, but fantastic little stroke for a standard fitness tracker. Flipped over, Fitbit's latest reveals its charging port. Unlike the Charge and Surge, which come with snap-in chargers, the Alta's cleverly clips on. It makes fastening it a breeze by comparison, and it can be used to chip clip if you're really in a pinch. Jokes aside, I like it so much that I feel this should be Fitbit's de facto charging method moving forward. Fitbit built the Alta to be customizable, but to the extent that you explore those options is, obviously, up to you. But let's say you do. You're going to need to take off the current band, and doing that is simple. On the bottom of the Alta, the band locks into the module with a snap lock mechanism. Just push one side of the band at a time and slide it out. Replace it by pushing down until you hear an audible snap. Like the Alta, the Fitbit Blaze and Fitbit Flex both feature a removable module, and allows users to swap out bands to their liking. But the company's latest fastens with a two-pronged mechanism, and not like many of the others in the lineup, which have straps that secure around your wrist like traditional watch.